Okay, so hey guys, quick video. So your windshield wiper fluid hose broken. See, it's right here. It's broken into two pieces. I'm gonna do a quick fix. It's not an instructional video, it's what I'm gonna do. So I got this tubing right here. I believe the measurements I'll put it on the screen. I don't exactly know for sure, but it kind of broke off recently, and I just want to get my windshield wiper fluid to work. So I'm gonna make a quick video. Said this on a better video than this. It's my method to see if it works or not. So if it works, try it out for yourself and you can fix it. So you can actually get the whole tubing. It's kind of expensive because you gotta run the wire in all through here and all the way down to the reservoir. But I'm gonna do this method and see how it works. So I'm gonna put this. What I'm gonna use this tube for one, and then I'm gonna use RTV and also some zip ties and binding wire, and then try to attach it here and down over here as well. See how that goes. Okay, so what I've done, I've just placed some RTV on the tip of this, the end, and also this RTV right here. I'm using this one. It's black silicone RTV, and I'm gonna slide up here. The RTV should keep it glued in and sealed in from water, and then I'm gonna join the next one as well. Okay, so I got the hose wire as high as I possibly can, right on top. I had some silicone in here. Now I'm gonna take this zip tie and try to wrap it in different layers so it won't slip out. Using the green one, normally go with black and make it more, look more slick. But I only got this one right now. But okay, so I got the zip tie in place. Now you want to cut it or add several more if you want. I'm just using one for now. See if the leaks or the RTV dry up, and then go to the bottom one. So I'm using one for now. I got more. I'm using this one for now. And try to get it tight as you can. You don't want to cut it yet because it's tied up here. Now I move to the harder part, trying to connect the bottom one, which is down here. I'm leaving some slack. See, I got this whole length of wire hose. So that will help. You want to cut it, but not too short, and maybe not too long as well. It slides down the hole, so you may not have to worry about if you cut it too long. But I may cut it around here. May cut it around here to see how that works. I'll do a test fit. Okay, so got this one in place. Now I just lift this up, get access to the other one. I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing. Put RTV in the inside and also on the tip of this, and then slide it down in and see, hopefully it seals up and able to spray. I'm tugging on this so it seems pretty strong. Might put a couple more zip ties in here and then some binding wire, chicken wire, and try to close it up. But for now, I'm gonna do the same thing at the bottom of this. You can see it. Yep, try to get that wire, this cord, greased up and good to go. Okay, got it greased up here. Also the bottom part. Now I'm trying to connect it and zip tie it as well. Okay, so I want to get the chicken wire, or I think I use for the hanging wire, they call it. I got some of this laying around, so let's cut a piece out and I'm gonna try to tighten this as best as I can while the RTV dries. And I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I got the wire up and I twisted it as I can, and it's not really staying as strong as the zip tie. So let's go with the zip tie method. Let's get a couple more zip ties up in here and also at the bottom, and hopefully that will keep in place while the RTV dries. So see this, it's moving, not really the best. I'm gonna cut it there and just leave it in place just in case. Okay guys, after several zip ties later, it looks good. I'm gonna cut it when I make sure it's not leaking. And see the bottom part here, we got it all set up. And be mindful when you're using RTV. It actually there is a hand, so you might want to wear a glove for that. So yeah, I can lock it into place here. I want to do a test and see if it squinches in. I close the hood. As it's long, I don't think it would, but you know, do a test. And I don't think it's gonna squish it in. The length actually make this good because it won't, you know, squish this line and cause it not to spray. So I'm gonna leave it for a couple of minutes, see if it dries up, and then try and see if it works. So okay guys, it's been like hour and a half, 2 hours. Hopefully it's dry. I'm gonna test it out and see if it actually works. I'm gonna press the windshield wiper fluid. Hopefully it comes out as before it was disconnected, so hopefully it falls out. I'm gonna check and see after it has any leaks though. So oh, it works. Hey guys, so that's how you fix your windshield wiper fluid reservoir. Oh, it works. I'm gonna check and see if any leaks under it. Also gotta clean my sprayers too as well. So guys, it works. I'm gonna check my fluid and see if it actually okay. I'll get back to you. So guys, this is it. It's holding up well. I'm not seeing any leaks. So I guess that's how you fix it. I'm gonna cut this out eventually. Not right now, I'll have my scissors, but yeah, it's working. Don't see any water coming out from it or anything. So hey guys, it works. Pretty cool, right? Huh.